Hey kids, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. In this one, we're taking a look at another TV from the folks over at TCL, the P717. We're gonna go over some of its key features to see if it's the right companion for you and your family as we all try to stay safe at home. Before I press on, I just want to congratulate the winner of our previous TCL giveaway for the C715, Kurt Ramos. Congratulations. Please get in touch with us via Facebook or Instagram so we can send you your prize. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. Alright, so the P717 is another one of TCL's 4K UHD TVs that's powered by Android OS. I know that picture quality is king when this kind of tech is concerned, but since this is going to be sitting in your living room, it doesn't hurt that it looks good too. I really like how thin the metal frame is, and I can imagine how good this will look in your own homes because of its minimalistic design that's sure to blend in with the rest of your aesthetic. It's not all about the looks though, since the metal frame will also be more durable than traditional plastic ones that we tend to see on most TVs. The bezels are also really slim, almost going right up to the frame itself, as if the content is being projected right onto your wall, making shows and movies a bit more immersive with a full screen experience. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the P717 is a UHD TV, so you can enjoy native 4K content on it, whether it be streamed on YouTube, Netflix, or other streaming services of your choosing. And for those of you who haven't taken the leap into 4K yet, just imagine what your favorite K-drama idols would look like with the stunning detail that this UHD TV can bring with 4 times more pixels than your standard 1080p panel. Combine that with other features that this has, such as their dynamic color expansion that gives you the extra oomph by enhancing the display performance by giving us bright, vibrant colors, HDR10 to give you the viewing experience close to what the creators of these shows intended it to be, and micro dimming to automatically adjust areas of the screen to provide better contrast but still give colors a lift so they don't look dull. It also supports 4K scaling, so just in case the show that you're planning to watch is only 1080p, well, it gets a bit of an upgrade. Just like the previous TCL C715 that we featured, as I mentioned, this also runs on Android OS, so access to the usual streaming platforms are a breeze to get, but it also opens up more possibilities because of the Google Play Store. And just like the C715, this TV also gives you access to hands-free operation, so just in case you're looking for inspiration for the next meal you're planning on cooking during the quarantine, well, you can try this without even picking up the remote. Alright guys, so we're going to be testing out the Google Assistant on the TCL P717. Again, we're going to be going to my favorite cooking YouTube channel. So, hey Google, play Binging with Babish.
Play Binging with Babish on YouTube.
So the response is pretty great, and there you go. Content is loaded up. But in case you want to try something else, let's do some Netflix. So, hey Google, play Enola Holmes on Netflix. There you go. You responded fairly quickly. And there you go. Enola Holmes on Netflix. Again, it supports HDR content, guys, as you can see right there. Especially on the corner of the screen, it says HDR10. Alright, so let's try something else. Let's say going to our own YouTube channel. Hey Google, go to Unbox PH on YouTube. There you have it. There's our channel with all of our content. Sub if you haven't already, guys, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. It really is super convenient, and for people like me who tend to misplace the remote from time to time, it's a godsend. Now, we all know that TCL provides great value for money for their TVs, but how much is the P717 exactly? Well, of course, it depends on which variant you're planning to get. So the one that you've been seeing in this video is the 55-inch variant that's priced at 31,595 pesos. And in case you want to go bigger, there's a 65-inch model that goes for 47,595. But if you want to go in the other direction, it goes all the way down to a 43-inch variant at 24,595. So if you have a more compact space, you still get the same picture quality and features. And if you want to check out the TCL P717 yourself before deciding to buy it, it's available at all leading appliance stores nationwide, but if you do decide to go out, just a quick reminder to stay safe. And since TCL is sponsoring this video, guess what? It's another giveaway. This time we're giving away the 43-inch variant of this TV, and all you have to do is share this video on Facebook with the hashtag TCL P717X UnboxPH. It should be somewhere on screen right here, and make sure that your post is public. And there you have it. Thank you so much for dropping by and spending a few minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless. See you guys next time and stay safe.